In this section, we'll be talking about the quality of light. The quality of light in this case does not refer to the goodness or badness of light, if that even makes sense, but it relates to how hard or soft the light is. Of course, a hard light source will create harsh shadows on a subject, while a soft light source will give you softer shadows because it generates a gradation between light and shadow. This is also referred to as chiaroscuro by Renaissance painters like Leonardo da Vinci and Caravaggio. Soft shadows tend to flatter the subjects better than hard shadows. If you are a people photographer, it is necessary to learn this. But again, depending on the story you're trying to tell, choose the right lighting that tells it the best. For example, if you're shooting a gangster, of course, hard light would be appropriate. Let your story determine how hard or soft you make your light to be.